Let's get a move on with this then. So let's just throw loads more narration in. Sorry, captions in. Here we go. I'm just going to pop one there, and I'm just going to go up, left click, pop one here, left click, pop one here, left click, pop one here, and I'm going to edit one of them. Double click inside. Learning is fun inside and outside of the classroom. And I'm just going to go along and let me see, I'm going to shrink this down a bit so we can see bits of Holly like that. Drop it down here. Oh, there's a little slug there, isn't it? Let's make sure we can see it. And save changes. And I'm just going to put this on pause whilst I go off and put some more captions in. And then I'll come back on and show you what I've done. Right, I've done that now. I've been along and I've popped in some extra captions where I put in the text boxes. You can see one there. There's another one there. I've messed around with the font. And I want you to put as many in as you want for yours. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some audio. So if I click down here and click on audio and free music, I can click on one and it'll give me a sample of what it sounds like. It's quite nice. Moment of inspiration, that sounds good too. They're all pretty good, aren't they? But look, I'm going to pause it a second. You can see mine here. It says it's 1 minute. Ooh, I need to drag that one along here. 1 minute, just short of 1 minute 40. And look how long these are. They give you all the lengths of the different ones. So I need one that's not too long. Look, 1 minute 46. That's a good one. Let's see how long, what that sounds like. Not too sure about that one. There's another 141. It's quite nice. So I'm going to pause that. And I'm going to drop it in. Now look, it's put it in at 39 seconds. I need to go back along. Okay, so I've used my dragger and dragged along. You can go out and back so that I popped it there and the music now is queued up at the start. Show you doing that there. And then let's see. I press play. It's looking good, isn't it? Now what I'm going to do is go to the end. You see where it fades out here. Let's play it from there. Because it fades out a bit there, I'm going to drag a few of these a little bit longer. Maybe make this text box a bit longer. It's just a matter of playing along. Actually, I want it to finish there, don't I, roughly? And let's move the transition along. Oh, it's getting all mixed up now. Use the undo button. If you make any mistakes, there. See if I can press the shift button and highlight the two. That'll do it. Pop that there. And if I go all the way back to here, stretch that a bit. There we go. And here, and stretch that a bit. Right, that's the right length now. I'm going to put one more text box in. Let's click inside it. I'll put it on pause because it'll take me a while. There you go. I've just written, come and join us at Brough School. Remember, we're making an advert to advertise the school. We want to sell the school, whether it's to other parents, to other children, to people in the community that show what a fantastic place it is to be. Save that. Okay, I think mine is ready to go. You can keep playing along for as long as you like to get yours ready before we save it. And remember, at any time when you're working, just click the save button, and that saves it as a bit like a project. Eventually, we want to export it as a proper video. So to do that, we're going to click on Finish. And remember, you only do this when you're completely finished. I'll go back actually. Remember, if you want to watch your video at any point, just watch it here. If you want to watch it full screen as a project, then open up the full screen view. You can always watch it from here. Okay, there it goes. But once you've finished it, click on the Finish button. Now we need to leave it on this resolution. That means how good a quality we're going to save it on. We're going to leave it on that one. It's already got its name. And we're going to save it in Google Drive. Once you've clicked on that once, it'll ask you which account to use. Just click on your account and allow again. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to export. And then just hang on whilst it's queuing up the video. I'll put it on pause until that's done. I'm just coming back on to show you. It's got a little message that's telling you how long it's going to take before it's saved. So just be patient. It'll be worth the wait. I'll put it back on pause again because I'm not going to leave this just playing away whilst it's saying how long it's going to take. Okay, I'm back and it's saying it's done. So I'm just going to open another tab and go to my drive. See if it's there. Recent documents, there we go. It says it's processing it. But I could download it, couldn't I? Which, look, I've done a couple of times. I'm going to open it up here. And there's my advert. So, over to you guys. Have a play. Don't fret. Don't worry if you can't get it to work. It's the first time we're trying it. Don't worry if you can't download it. And we'll see how we can share things. We're going to do this on Wednesday afternoon. No, Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, and Friday morning. Let's give it a go and see if it works. Should be fun. We're making an advert. That's our learning objective, to know how to create adverts. We can do them just on paper, or we can make fab ones on video like this. It's good, doesn't it? Your turn now.